back to my YouTube channel, guys, here. And I had a problem with our water heater today, so I figured I can go out and do a video about how to fix the water heater. And here, I went to the Lowe's here. Got a thermocoupler, which is used for a heating element that heats up the unit for the water heater. So let's go over here and I'll probably do it as sped up mode so you guys can see the video. Got everything I need here to do all the stuff. As you can see, I have all my crap. And then here's the unit itself. So we'll be going in here and getting all this junk out. So, well, let's begin and figure out how we can fix this. Alright guys, so here we go. Got the whole unit out here. And you can see here that there's right here the thermocoupler, and also the spark that hits the flame. Alright, so we fixed that, took it out, so now we're gonna go and take this unit apart and replace the coupler. See you guys in a sec. Alright, so here's the unit. We're gonna have to do a few little adjustments here. Also, we can zoom in here. This part right here needs to be taken off so we can get to the cord that connects to the thermocoupler. So let's get started there. see exactly how it looks. There it is. The thermocoupler's right here. The flame comes out of, so the little hole here you can probably see in the corner, and this is the spark. So you hit this button here, it'll spark it. So we're getting there. Let's put all these screws back in. Should be all right. So here we go. Everything's in. Now we just gotta plug up all these extra wires here. And we should be alright. Good to go. Finally finished. So now that everything's connected back, we're gonna see if we can light it up. So first we gotta turn the gas back on. And now we will set this all the way to the lowest setting and also put this on the pilot setting right here. And now I have to hold this button in and then click this and wait for the flame to come on. Let's see if we can see the click in the corner there. So we'll wait until we see the flame come on. there it is. So now it turned on. So we'll let it sit there for a minute. Alright, so I got it to stay finally. And it took me a little bit. I just had to check all the connections and make sure everything was working. And I also held it in for a little bit longer than a minute, so it seems to be staying. So now let's turn the pilot light off, and we're going to go to the on setting and see if we can get this running. So we'll turn this on. Then we'll turn the gas on, see if it lights. There we go. And we have liftoff. So our gas heater is working. So that's good to know. Alright. Thanks for watching. That was a little bit of a pain in the butt, but it finally worked. And took about maybe 25-30 minutes just to make sure everything's working alright. So I'm going to keep an eye on it, make sure it's still, the pilot light's still staying on, and I replaced it earlier, probably about a year ago, so I don't know, this water heater might be going soon, but now it's good and it's working, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.